Kennywood Park. We're going to try and get there and catch the grand finale. We should catch it. They only started 4 minutes ago. How long do they usually go for?
A while.
Yeah, so we might get to catch the grand finale. We're not the great underneath it though. But they moved them.
Yeah, they did move up.
They did. Look where they're at. Way over here.
Yep.
We used to be able to park almost right underneath these things, but now they moved them in the park somewhere. They're celebrating 125 years of pure firework technology. Building design. You'll see the park in a second as we go by it. I wonder if I should cut in up here and go all the way across. You know what I mean? From this end of the parking lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that. All the way across. Let me know where it is.
Right here.
Shit, well, right by. Fireworks behind me. Whoa, what am I doing? Oh, that was loud. What's in the window? Alright. There we go. Food time. They paid a whole lot. Look at this. It's all brand new. $15 a park?
$7.
Wow, they raising prices.
What to get in Kennywood at the gate, it's $60.
I know. You gotta buy them online. You save a lot of money.
It's like 40, I think, or 50.
Yeah. Check that out. Kennywood Park fireworks. This is great. What are you gonna do? Fart on us? Tell us to leave? Stop sign now. Wow. Look at the park though. It looks much nicer. Look, they redid that. Look. What is that? A booth. They supposed to get a lot of work in here.
Yeah, they redid things.
Okay, let's just sit right here, man. Oh. 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 Nah, let's go down in. They are at the end. Look, they're at the end.
This one.
Yeah, they're loud too. Stay in here from there on. I'm making a video of them. They really changed the parking lot. It's a lot nicer than it was before. Wait till the grand finale, man. It's awesome. They do these every night for 4 nights. That was kind of cool coming up that road driving towards you.
Yeah.
See that ride right there? That thing's wicked, dude. That is so fun.
Yeah, I want to ride that one.
That is so fun. You used to be able to come and just, like, go in and just ride one ride and leave. Oh, that was neat. There was lightning behind it. There's a thunderstorm coming right at it. Boom time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Wow. I don't think that's a grand finale already, but it might be. Nice. That might be it already. That might be it already. Well, that was fun. Kennywood fireworks, 125 years. See that ride right there? That ride is freaking awesome. Oh, we're lightning right behind it. That was so cool. That is the more lightning. Coolest ride ever. More lightning. There's a big thunderstorm coming at us. And you got that cool ride. You go up that big hill and you go up. There's more lightning. You go up that off to the races.
Thank you.